Stop, man.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's a boy Spanner Tre, and again alongside Pino Wahala Baby. So we have a bet. So Tina said that we should do food challenge. That first to finish. If Nami first finish, then that means I'll continue with my food lifestyle.
Yes.
Okay. Then if Nashi first finish, then that means there will be no fufu again in this house. That's right. You can see the judges are here and everybody is there. Blackie is there too as well. She have 2 fufu, while I have 4 fufu. So ladies and gentlemen, I want you guys to judge this and for you guys to say what is on your mind, because this is betting. That's right. Definitely she might win or I might win.
I will win.
You will win. Oh, yeah. All right, let the bet. Wait, look like all my clothes.
Must you come up clothes?
It concern you. I've been one start one again. Okay.
Take a easy now.
How people are there watching?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Game start. If I wash my camera, I don't know that
Spanner.
Who are you happy for? Pina spanner. Baby spanner. Jesus, baby is going down with you. Baby is going down. Spanner don't swallow nylon. Baby shake. Baby is going. Baby, more one. Baby, let's go. Baby, let's go. Baby, let's go. Baby, let's go. Spanner. Baby. They carry am well now. Now this one thing wey they carry now one use chop. Baby.
Stop, man.
I'm not even eating fast.
Baby, now this thing one thing.
Spanner.
Who in the follow? Spanner. Oh yeah, can be doing it. Spanner. No. Baby, wait.
If you put that for your mouth, I will kill you. Na lie. No be challenge.
And Spanner wins. Spanner wins this challenge.
Na lie.
No.
Spanner no win
I know
anything.
that.
Na lie. This thing was gumming my hand. It was gumming. This one no be fufu.
How is that my fault?
It's your fault.
No, baby, wait.
She know that it's Samba.
This is a challenge.
Na challenge.
And this is why you come for it. This challenge. No,
the
wait.
fufu was gumming.
Why even check whether my camera dey roll?
Na lie. The fufu was gumming.
Thank you, camera.
Madam, from
This is
today, Sebi the judges are answering from today.
Spanner wins and we keep swallowing fufu
For this house.
for this house.
Madam.
Keep swallowing fufu. We have many judges here.
Na lie.
We have many judges.
You
The
do
compound
this is
people
not how
here.
to eat. This is not how to eat.
Which one of this is not how to eat?
Look at the way the thing was gumming my hand. This is not how to eat.
Do you know that you are looking for my trouble now?
You eat like a human being. That's what I mean.
So I did I eat like an animal?
Why were you challenging me?
Let me bring the
Are you supposed to challenge your babe?
for peace to reign.
The peace will reign if you eat small. I told you to eat small so that I can meet up.
I know rush food.
You rush.
See, no they use any all this mugu as an excuse. I don't
like this.
He
I
rushed.
don't like
this.
I know one time. Except
for this
though you want me to
I
fight.
fought for the challenge,
I don't like
but
this.
you didn't give me what I want. I wanted you to eat the way I'm eating. What do you want? You eat the way I'm eating.
Sir, much children they even know. I take God and beg you if you want peace to reign. I don't win my bet because I don't win my bet. So allow me with my lifestyle. But if you don't want it that way, you go your house. You go to
I want to court.
You go to
I want to court. Which kind of thing?
No, wait, we'll clear this thing now. Madam, I take on and beg you.
You never win. We will do the second round.
You say you know where.
Nah, lie, you don't win.
If I say me turn that fire, like you say you know where.
You don't start.
You don't see this girl. If you try, I swear to God. If you now they say about, not this guy and the people. Come on. Get out from this.
You come in, they come in and see you there here. They come in and
because I don't know which one they are. Which kind of my friend get out from my side. My friend nonsense.
I know. What you come to this one?
Which one waiting come to this one?
Okay, come on. Get that soup.
Wait. Sana, wait. Mona, no do this. Don't be having that for camera. We're going to fight for camera. Not for camera. We're going to fight. I know I put me. I put you.
Now me the fight.
I go fight you again.
Every day we're going to fight for camera for public.
Hey, you see, you dey eat my own fufu.
Don't carry my. On that. See, let me tell you what.
Hey.
I will do it.
Sana,
No.